Hi guys, I am Danielle and this is my very first tutorial, so be kind and I hope you get a few tips on how to cut your hair from home and also get a good laugh. Enjoy! I'm gonna try to lose my double chin, but also to cut my hair. I'm watching YouTube videos, so we'll see how this goes. It's dead. Everyone knows my hair is dead at the ends. So, good riddance, split ends. They're super wet right now, so, but here we go. This is the length before. My head straight. Pretty long, but it's so like the at the end. It should be thick. So and just drop the scissors. I want to learn how to cut it. That's what I'm doing. Learning how to cut it. But it's pretty bad. She has it split into two sections.
Separating the top 2/3 of my hair into a bun. And I begin by cutting off the desired amount from the bottom third of my hair.
Bottom third. I can do this. Okay. Oh gosh. This is more than a third though, I feel. It's fine. Look how little hair there is. Oops. Compared to hers. I hope this goes well. She said she did like a guide piece from this back hair, which my back hair is like pretty thin. Okay. All right, this is so stressful. My guide piece. Okay, it doesn't look like a lot of hair, but it's like 6 inches. But it's like so thin. It's not even hair. Okay, my guide piece. Something about this. Okay, and then cutting up into the hair. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right, it's my guide piece. And then she said, grab the rest of the hair from this section. I lost my guide piece. Okay, this is stressful. It's part of it. Okay, and then hey, Lacey. I don't know what I'm doing. These scissors are not good. Oh my god, it's so much shorter. This is stressful. Bye-bye. All right. This one's still on. I know that they do this in the salons.
You want to create a center part regardless of how you part your hair naturally when it's styled.
every time. Middle part, I do not think would work for me. Okay. All right. Where's my comb? All right. This is weird. Okay, maybe it's already in the middle part.
I took a 1 centimeter section to the right of the center part and flipped it over to the opposite side of my head and tied away all of the hair on the right side of my head.
1 centimeter? How do I know what a centimeter is? That looks pretty centimeter to me. Ow. That is not straight. This is not working. Like, how did I get actual knots? Oops. Like, actual knots in my hair. How? This is my problem. So much OCD. Okay. Now she brushed it this side to the side. Okay, now I gotta do another part on this side. Centered? Yes. Whew, I'm getting better. I am moving right along.
So I begin by combing the hair straight up, holding the hair firmly between my pointer finger and middle finger. You just want to make sure that your fingers that are clamping the hair are parallel to the floor. Now, keeping that tension between the fingers, you can bring the hair down so that you can see it and cut it straight across. For me, and it's a length I'm happy with. Now I'm going to move about half of this hair to the other side of my head.
Hey.
Are you in the bathroom?
Yeah. What are you doing? He doesn't know I'm cutting my hair. I'm gonna surprise him. Hi, Charlie.
What are you doing?
I'm giving you a surprise.
Cutting your hair.
Don't look at it.
Was it a surprise?
Weirdo. I'm a weirdo. Okay. Yeah, that's good. I can't find my guides. Again. This is way harder than I thought it would be. It's way shorter. Whoa. Okay. All right. All right. Don't panic. Don't panic. That's a lot of hair. Now mix it in with the back. It's the same length. Oh my gosh. How did I do that? How did I do that? Oh my gosh. Okay, I have one more section of hair to do. The ends are all gone, I think. My hair has gotten curlier recently.
The only thing left is to frame the hair around the face. So go ahead and recreate the center part. You can also remove all of the hair elastics we used to tie back the hair and spray the hair if needed to make sure it's all sufficiently wet.
Just the hair that frames the face. Which happens to be where most of my hair is. Okay, and then what the heck? That is ridiculous. See, this is when people do lives and stuff instead of just the video, because it is so much less awkward to talk to like anybody who can watch.
Seriously, could this have been any easier?
Yes, it could have.
I thought I'd also show you.
She seems lovely. Just and bitter. It was so easy for her. But I guess it is. Practice makes perfect, right? Ow. See how this looks at the end. Let's see how this goes. Okay. I think I'm gonna cut some more layers. I can't really see it. Yeah. I'm gonna cut some more. So I'm gonna try to cut some more layers. Phone died, but I've cut a little bit more on this side. I'm gonna cut this side. I decided I'm gonna straighten it. Okay, I did this thing. I straightened it, and then I took my scissors and just like dry cut layers. And I kind of cut it too thin on this side. But I'm close to getting like scissor happy, which is probably not the greatest thing, but I know my husband will be happy. Yeah, but I feel like for the most part, like, layers are pretty almost even. See, I can see it better now. overall, I would give this experience a 6 out of 10 on the stressful scale, and it's probably more worth it to just go to your local hairdresser friend that is a hairdresser. It just looks way healthier. Way healthier. Yep, not terrible. But let me show you. I cut off a lot of hair. Yikes. Gotta go clean.